Hi, I'm NASA Kennedy's Doug Jackson, and I'm taking you inside KSC. Kennedy Space Center in Florida is home for the Gateway Logistics Element, leading NASA's commercial supply chain for deep space. A major milestone was achieved on August 16th with the release of the Gateway Logistics Services request for proposals. NASA is seeking capabilities from commercial industry to fly a logistics spacecraft as a service in order to enable the vibrant commercial supply chain that will allow us to explore the Moon and onto Mars. This includes landing the first woman and the next man on the Moon by 2024. Kennedy is launching sustainable deep space delivery for exploration. Kennedy's iconic Vehicle Assembly Building, or VAB, has landed its first commercial tenant. Northrop Grumman will assemble and test its new Omega rocket inside the massive facility's High Bay 2. Officials with NASA, Northrop Grumman, and the U.S. Air Force gathered in High Bay 2 to celebrate the partnership with a ribbon-cutting ceremony. The VAB has supported NASA's human spaceflight programs for more than 50 years. The building also is serving as the assembly site for NASA's Space Launch System rocket, which will carry the Orion spacecraft on Artemis missions to the Moon. And remember, Spaceport Magazine digs deeper inside KSC.